Hello YouTube, this is Apple Everything here today. I just wanted to make a quick video on the new iPad Pro 11-inch that I got yesterday. I had gotten it at Verizon. I traded in my old iPhone X for the iPhone X Max in gold, 256 gigabytes. Also, I got this iPad Pro and that case that's on there, and I got the Apple Pencil. And then I got a case for the phone. I just wanted to do a quick hands-on with the iPad Pro 2018 inch. This is my iPad Pro 2018 inch. Go into settings. I'm running, running 12.2. It's very fast. I think it has, for a processor, the AX Bionic chip in it. I'm pretty sure. This is the cellular model, also Wi-Fi. This is on Verizon. But it's so fast. You can go into an app like that. Games. I love the Apple Pencil. It's really awesome. You can go into Notes. Where's Notes? I can find it. Oh, right here. You can draw something. I'll show you. Let's see. Look at how fluent this is. It's awesome. It's like 60 frames per second. And do it. It's very cool. These are all the apps I have. Parcel Track, Instagram, my banking, my finances, Snapchat. I should delete that. It doesn't really work with iPad. This was a diagnosed app, but I had bought that on Amazon, the tool for it, but it don't work. Twitter. Arrive's a really good for tracking package app. Also, Zedge for wallpapers, Unsplash for wallpapers, like some games like Need for Speed, the NHL app. What's this app? Something downloading, PlayStation app, social media apps, some other banking app. Asphalt 9 is a really great racing game. I recommend you download that if you want a really fun racing game on the iPad or iPhone. I've yet to charge this. Came in the box at 81%. It comes with the iPad USB Lightning connector and adapter. In the case I got was the Zeg Bluetooth keyboard. It's downstairs charging, or I would show you the rest of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch model with Apple Pencil, but you have to buy it separate. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you on my next video Monday. I'm going to start doing Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm going to try to stick to that schedule. Okay guys, thank you. And bye-bye.